Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to change the site title and tagline on WordPress site. If you launched your new website, then you should have a default title and tagline in your website like this. So I am Asad from WTeach. I will show you how to do that step by step. After watching this video, you will be able to set your website title and tagline that will look more professional. So let's get started. The first step is getting into the WordPress dashboard. To do that, type the domain name /login. Then give your username and password and press the login button. Once you are logged in, then go to Appearance, then Customize. Here you can see the default title. The second step is to fix a site title and a tagline for your website. Let's say I fixed WTeach for my site title and Learn website for the tagline. Now go to Site Identity, then Site Title and Logo Settings. Now put the title and tagline here. Once you are happy, then click on Publish to save them. To see the changes, let's visit the site. Here you can see the site title and tagline are showing here. In most websites, they put their own logo instead of the site title. It looks more professional. To do that, get back to the site identity. Select site title and logo settings and click on select a logo. In my case, it's been uploaded before. So I click on that, then click on select, skip cropping. So I turned off site title and tagline. In this case, the site title will not be shown, but when a visitor hover over the tab, then the site title will appear like this. Once you are happy, then click on Publish. To see the changes, just click on Refresh button. Here you can see the logo is too big. To decrease the size, get back to there. Maximize your logo size. Once you are happy with that, then click on Publish. And click on Refresh to see that. Yes, I am happy with this. Okay, now you know how to change the site title, tagline and a logo of your website. Now, this is a bonus part for you. You can set a site icon for our website like this. To do that, get back to the site identity and select a site icon. The suggested image dimension is 512 by 512 pixels. So I'm clicking on that, then click on select, skip cropping, then click on publish. Now go to your site and click on refresh. Here you are, the site icon is successfully created. So this is how you can do this. If you are new here, subscribe to this channel to get more tutorials like this. If you find this video helpful, then give a like. If you have any questions, then never forget to comment below. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay connected.